modify our previous lesson and turn these through holes right here into circular cutouts. Best way to do this is to go back to click on Onshape, go to our original screen where you have your folder. I'm going to click on the one that says last name over here, and if you click on it with a right click or a double click and you click copy workspace, what that does is that'll make a copy of this. But I don't want to just make a copy. I want to call it 2.5C and then your last name. So now my copy is made and I have a new file here that I can modify however I want, and no matter what I do, the other file is there to go back to. So now I'm under 2.5C, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out these through holes. Now they're pretty easy to do. If I look through the front, I see they go all the way through. I can give a little angle for you. Now all you have to do is click on the extrude button and hit delete, and now they're gone. I'm left here with my holes of sketches, as you can see. However, there is no more cutting through, which is what I want. What I actually want to make these things is I want to make little semicircles, and then I'm going to revolve them to make the cutouts, kind of like ice cream scoops. So in order to do this, I'm going to double click on sketch 4, which was my sketch of my circles. If I click on the front view and go here, in order to make these half circles, it's very simple. I click on the line button, and I'm going to make my line go the same direction and right on the y-axis, and I go down. I'm going to then hit escape, and now I have my line. All I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my trim tool and I'm going to trim all of half of each piece of circle. I don't want to trim the pieces between. I just want to trim any piece of line that's actually not there. So I'm left with the semicircle and then the line that connects the semicircle. All right, everything else is gone. All right, and then I'm going to now finish my sketch again. And as you can see, I got 1, 2, 3 semicircles. So once again, I'm going to do this at an angle so you can see a little better. Let's click this angle right here and zoom in. Now I'm just going to take these 3 circles and I'm going to use my revolve button. And the faces I'm going to pick are the 3 half circles. All right, so as you can see, there's 3 different sketches here. The axis, I'm going to click on revolve around the axis. I am going to pick the y-axis, or any one of these 3 will be good. And when I do that, you notice that it actually pops out. We don't want it to pop out, we want it to pop in. So instead of using add, I'm going to use remove. And what that does is, if you can see right here, it kind of gives you like little cups that it comes out of. All right, so now it's cutting it out, which is exactly what I want. I hit my button right there, and I'm done. And that is it. I screenshot my problem, and I'm already done. See how easy that was? So congratulations, you finished 2.5C. Now you're ready to go on and build your charm tomorrow. Good job.